Hello everyone, let's dive into the 8BitDo Retro 108 mechanical keyboard, specifically the FAMI edition. Right off the bat, the design screams nostalgia. 8BitDo has nailed the retro aesthetic, drawing clear inspiration from classic consoles. The color scheme is spot on, and it instantly brings back memories of simpler gaming times. But this keyboard isn't just about looks, it's packing some serious modern features. It's compatible with Windows 10 and above, as well as Android 9.0 and later, making it versatile for both gaming and productivity. Connectivity is a breeze with Bluetooth, 2.4G wireless, and USB-C options. This means you can easily switch between devices without any hassle. The mechanical keys themselves feel fantastic. They offer a satisfying tactile feedback and a noticeable click, which is great for both typing and gaming. The integrated numpad is a welcome addition, especially for those who use it frequently for work or specific games. One of the standout features is the hot swappable design. This allows you to easily change out the switches without any soldering, letting you customize the keyboard to your preferred feel and sound. Whether you prefer linear, tactile, or clicky switches, the Retro 108 can accommodate your needs. The keyboard also boasts programmable keys, adding another layer of customization. You can assign macros or specific functions to these keys, streamlining your workflow or giving you an edge in games. In terms of build quality, the 8BitDo Retro 108 feels solid and well-constructed. It has a good weight to it, preventing it from sliding around on your desk. The keycaps are made of durable material, ensuring they can withstand heavy use. However, there are a few minor drawbacks to consider. The retro design might not appeal to everyone, especially those who prefer a more modern or minimalist look. Also, while the programmable keys are a great feature, the software for customization could be more user-friendly. Overall, the 8BitDo Retro 108 mechanical keyboard is a fantastic blend of retro aesthetics and modern functionality. It's a great choice for gamers and anyone who appreciates a well-built mechanical keyboard with a unique design. The hot swappable switches and programmable keys add to its versatility, making it a worthwhile investment for those looking to enhance their typing or gaming experience. If you're a fan of retro designs and appreciate the feel of mechanical keys, the 8BitDo Retro 108 is definitely worth checking out.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.